Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a generator. How exciting is that? Probably not exciting yet because I haven't even showed you yet. But okay, so you need magnets. You can either have the magnetite block, redstone magnet, layered magnet, fluctuated magnet, and netherite magnet. Any will do. Magnetite block does 1 energy, redstone magnet does 2, layered magnet does 4, fluctuated magnet does 8, and netherite magnet does 24, excuse me. Anyways, first you will use your chosen block and start placing it in a pattern like this. You can have it from 1 to probably my guess would be 10 blocks wide. I'm going to choose 4 because that's my default for no reason. And then you need to make a 3x3 inside. That way it can fit. And then the next step is to place generator coils. These will generate the energy. And then next is a carbon brush. That way it actually lets you get the power. And then you need something to turn these motors, and then they will automatically turn. It's generating 180 power per tick, which is a lot. And you can use that power by getting a motor. See? And that's how you make a generator. Those very simple steps. Have a nice day, and make sure to like and subscribe.